How to delete Google Chat messages from both sides. I am going to show you how you can easily delete Google Chat messages from both sides. You can hide or delete the history of a direct message in Google Chat and Gmail. You can only hide or delete a direct message with another person. Hide conversation removes your copy of a conversation. It doesn't remove the conversation from other participants' views. If you hide a conversation and then chat with that person again, your chat history reappears. Delete conversation, permanently delete your copy of a conversation's history. If it doesn't delete the conversation from other participants' history. To delete a direct message, you can't delete a group message with 2 or more people. On your Android phone or tablet, open the Chat app or Gmail app. In Gmail at the bottom, tap Chat. In the bottom navigation menu, tap Direct Messages. Tap the person's name. At the top, tap the person's name, then delete the conversation. Tap Confirm to delete. To delete a single message instead of a conversation, go to Delete or Delete a Message.